Today I will show you how to earn money with stock trading. First, how to start investing in stocks. A beginner's guide. Investing in the stock market is the most common way for beginners to gain investment experience. What kind of investment? Beginners trading strategy. Learn how to trade the market in steps. Want to learn how to trade but don't know where to start? Millions. Find a good online stockbroker and open a stock brokerage account. People also ask which stock trading site is best for beginners. Can I start with $100? How do I start trading stocks for beginners? So this is I will show you the process of stock trading. Open a Demat account. Understand stock codes. 3 bids and ask. 4 fundamental and technical knowledge of stock. Learn to stop the loss. Ask an expert. Start with safer stocks. Next, I will show you how do I teach myself to trade stocks. What should a beginner invest in? 6 ideal investment for beginners. 401k or employee retirement plan. A robo target date mutual fund, index funds, and exchange traded funds with investment apps. Next, guys, can you day trade with 25k? How much do I need to invest to make $100 a month? So it is probably not the answer you are looking for, because even with those high going to take at least $1 lakh invested to generate $1,000 a month. For most reliable stocks, it is closer to double that to create $1,000 in monthly income. So what should I invest $1,000 in? 7 smart ways to invest $1,000. Build a diversified portfolio with fractional sharing investing. Build your saving Build a diversified portfolio with fractional sharing investing. Second is build a micro real estate portfolio. Open a Roth IRA. Build up a high yield emergency fund. Build a portfolio with low cost ETFs. Let a robo advisor invest on your behalf. Your investment styles. Next is what are 4 types of investment. There are 4 main investment types or asset classes that you can choose from, each with distinct characteristics, risks, and benefits. Growth investments, shares, property, defensive investment, cash, and fixed interests. How much money do I need to make $500 a month? How much money do I need to make or invest to make a $300 a month? How much money do I need to invest to make a month? 200. How can I double my money in one day? Here are some best 5 ways to double your money fast. Stock market. Investment made in the stock market have always given a high rate of return to people. Mutual funds, national saving certificates, corporate deposits / non-convertible debentures (NCD). Kisan Vikas Patra. How can I invest $100 for a quick return? How to invest $100 to make money fast? Play the stock market, invest in money making course, trade commodities, trade cryptocurrencies, use peer-to-peer lending, trade options, flip real estate contracts. Now we will go for what type of investments make the money most. Take away among the many things to invest in, stocks are my personal favorite and by far the most rewarding. The most successful investors in stock, because you can make better returns and retire a lot faster by doing so than with any other investment type. What is the best stock investment? So here are best value stocks: Bio-Rad Laboratories Income Incorporations, White Mountains Insurance Group Limited, Huntsman Corporation, Virtue Financial Income.